How to quote unquote choose a song in your Instagram story. Well, let me show you how it's done. First up, you post a story with some kind of content in it. Let's say I want to post this, and over here you go to the stickers emoji, and over here in stickers you click on questions, and once you're here in questions you can see there's this option where I can change it into choose a song question. I can even customize the question. What song do you guys want me to listen? So that's it. I customize the question. You can even customize the color of this part of the question. Once you've done that, you place it, you resize it, and post it. Now, once that I've posted this, I will show you on the other side of the story that how it is when someone replies to the story. Takes a little bit of time for uploading. Once it's done, I'll switch accounts and show you exactly how it is. Now that I switched accounts, you can see that there is this that I posted, and once this, I can choose a song and press send. And let me show you in the replies now how I got replies based on the music that they have suggested. Over here in activity, you can see that there is this song being suggested by this account. You can either play it or even delete the response from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, bye bye.